What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Commander Cody, this is a Patreon request from Drake. He sent me this, it's like a simple sort of cartoon illustration of, I think it's Commander Cody. It's a clone trooper anyway, yellow one. So landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. I'm going to start with his visor, right? That's on top of his head. Head's pretty small because I want to fit in the saber and everything. So zoom in up here. We start with the visor, right? And it kind of like angles itself. So we'll go like diagonal first. And then it goes flat. And sort of down here. And then we'll go back in. A little bit diagonal again, and then back down to there. This is like sitting, like he's looking out from underneath this, you know, and then there. And then just to make it look a little bit 3D on the side, we'll just add a little line there. There's an antenna here, but we'll just draw this stuff in. So with like metal objects, I like to add like extra edge lines and all that kind of stuff, and maybe some scratches and things. Just makes it look more realistic, I think. So then we have a little box on top of that. Now there's way more detail, obviously you can get into this stuff, but Drake sent me this simpler sort of style drawing. So top of his head then, so we'll do that. So we'll go around the top, kind of curving. It's a helmet, so it's pretty big. Down like that, just past the visor, because then we get like a little box sticking out here. It goes in and down. So I'll just move over to the front and we'll add the space for his mouth. So it goes sort of diagonal there. And then the chin comes out, down like that. And then this side goes in around his neck. So his like neck comes up into it. So there's another section, right? Another line just above this. Like so, and then his shoulder is somewhere here, but we'll just do this little bump maybe. You could finish that if you wanted, but his shoulder I think cuts across. So now there's more detail in here. So we've got like this sort of area for his, what we would call teeth, but they're not really. It's just a gap, looks like a mouth. And then there's a little circle here. Then a face line. I remember hit pause if I go too fast, because I know sometimes I do. I go too fast and I talk too much. So I can't help it. So then the antenna kind of comes up this way. So it's kind of a little connector or something here. And then the black antenna up this way. It spikes down, up again. Kind of just in line with the top of his helmet there, and then comes back down. And then a little circle. And strap, or kind of a helmet line, and another one here. Sometimes I've seen him with like a mohawk thing up there, but not in this one. So, and again, I like me edge lines. And scratches and dirt and stuff, like he's been fighting. So there's like a circle here. With sort of a hole. And then we have detailed lines coming down and then curving down. 2 more. So another box underneath this. And then another sort of detail here. Just adding some little scratches and curved lines and stuff around. Now, body. So that's shoulder. So that sort of shoulder pad is kind of spiky here, right? I think he has an antenna sticking out of that. It's dead straight, so I might need my ruler actually. So like it comes like real straight out of this. It's about there, just a little sort of dot on top. And then the rest of the shoulder pad, the orange, just sort of curving around. It's kind of like an egg shape. A very pointy egg. And then the front of his neck in there. He's got like a bit of a collar. He's got a chest plate, so chest armor, right? So say, kind of sticks out. So we'll go out that way. And there's a bit of a strap on both sides. So where's this one? It's kind of narrow. We'll go here. And then this strap goes behind his neck that way. Wraps around his arm, goes underneath his armpit in here. So there's more armor in there. But I'll just finish the front section, which comes around the belly. So it's like broken up into different pieces of armor now. Like so. And then his arm is kind of here, right? So you get like another piece of armor, box-like armor. And that way, another yellow pad here, a white strap, and then more black sort of fabric, I think, underneath all this. And then his forearm plate. Okay, so a bit more detail on the chest. Little sort of plate there, little boxes and stuff in it. And like a little line coming down there. And if you want, you can draw in like where the yellow markings are. So it's like, I'll do it lightly. They're done with color, but just so we can maybe see them. do some edge. So this is yellow in there. Little shoulder pad on that side. And then her belly. His belly. Coming down there. And then it meets a belt. Right? And there's like boxes on his belt. Right, with little details on them. And then some details on his belly as well, like the armor. And then his belt. Keeps going here. And then another box kind of goes behind his forearm. So the bottom half, so we got the hand and the saber, right? But what to draw first? Maybe we'll do the hand and the saber first, and then his legs, and then finish with the gun. Okay, so roughly thumb there, right? And then you have the sort of where it comes out of his hand. Like that, like a tube. And then we have knuckles. Four of them. And then a hand plate. Like a hand guard, you know. And I guess there should be like some wrinkles just all here and stuff. A little bit of detail on the saber handle coming back this way as well. I didn't watch this show, so I don't know why he has a saber. Like little pieces of detail on top. Coming out that way. And then it's kind of like spiky here as it bursts out of the tube. I might keep this one kind of straight as well, but it has like energy coming off it, so might be a bit wavy. I'll tell you, so we'll go. Maybe I'll just keep it straight at first anyway. If I want to add any energy off it, I can. So kind of like, I'm not sure if it's spiky on top because I can't see it, so I'll just go standard saber style. And then there are like little bits of energy coming off, so it's kind of optional if you want to do that. So, but I'll just do a couple of bumps like this, say. Coming off the saber. Okay. You could do more than that if you wanted. Right, so his bottom half. So he's got like a mid-region plate going behind the saber here. It's white. It's like a pants. And then he has another little yellow coloring paint place there. And then something else here. And I think I'll give this some edge just coming around. So in his thigh armor, leg going down that way, like so, and then the other side that way. Can you see it? Where's his leg? Probably in line. It's probably a bit low down, but I'll put it there. And then we can just see some black fabric and maybe a little bit of edge on top here. Oh, and there's more yellow coloring. Another box there, and then what looks like a gun. So, well, I'm not good at drawing guns, but it's simple enough. It goes down this way. There. Like a little trigger area. And then there's all like detail sort of sections on it. Little circles, and it's like a barrel part or something here. Just all little extra bits like that. You can do as much of that as you'd like. Just beat them up a bit, maybe. Do do do. Okay, Clone Trooper. I think it's Commander Cody. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.